I'm not sure my screen. Okay. Okay. So yeah. My name is Olayod Michael once again. So I welcome everyone to the third Echo Smart City Monthly Mapathon. I hope you can still hear me, right? Let me just go to this side. Okay. So we'll be having the welcome notes, the introduction to the Mapathon, the training session, then the Mapathon info, announcing of Marathon champion, then we'll be taking a group picture and a closing remark. So as for the welcome notes, I have myself, right, and I have Mr. Ayo, which is the product lead for this project. I don't know, Mr. Can you, Mr. Ayo, the call?
Yes, I am.
Okay, you can just like do one or two introduction for us.
Okay. Thanks everyone for joining. This is our third in a series that we shall continue monthly. Um, over to you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. So I would like everyone to introduce themselves on the chat. Just tell us your name, where you are joining us from, your name, and you're joining us from. So you can just use the chat while we randomly check the chat and just state some people's name that I found chat and just tell us your name, where you are joining us from. Probably you're joining any or probably London or UK. Any part of the world we're there. I think we focus on a country. So let's get straight to it. Okay. We have Map Nigeria, right? It's the tag. So it's a reverse map Nigeria. It's a mapping organization that open data, data means data that is free for all, available for usation, for government. And we are non-profit organization working with the community member to collect the special data from Nigeria. So it's a community focused on data for Nigeria, right? Making data available for Nigeria, and we work closely with the OUT, which is the humanitarian OpenStreetMap team. So a little about what we do. We advocate for open map, which is the same thing we are doing right now. Um, we capacity development. We ensure that people are aware of open data and they get to have the full knowledge of how to map their environment and how to map other regions at large, and as well remote mapping and field mapping. So that is basically it for the mapping here. We are just people trying to ensure that there is data available for Nigeria. So when there is need for data, take for instance in the COVID-19, we dwell more on data. We see how the statistics were map were used for cases where have COVID-19 viruses and all. So same thing goes here, right? So we see for use, right? Okay. Now, so let me just check through the chat and let's just pick a few names. So we have Claudia from OAU, we have Adenike from Bells, we have Stella from Akure, and Sunday from Ogun State. And so thank you for joining. So we'll be heading straight to the Mapathon, the training session rather shortly, and um, the in the third, in the second Mapathon, we had a task where we mapped what do we map? We map EPT, right? So the project is about 23% mapped, and we want to ensure that we complete that project before heading straight to another project. So I'll be making my train. I'll be doing my training basically on that. And once we are able to finish that, to head straight to another part where I'll be sharing across. So I know that we have advanced mapper among us, and we have intermediate mappers as well. So at the middle of the training, I will just drop the facts in the chat box, then we can all proceed to map. So we have quite a lot of participants, right, that are yet to join. So once I send the tax manager and the tax link, you can all proceed to map. So the top 20 mappers will be awarded the stipend, and a link of the registration or for certificates for attendance will be sent across as well too. So let me share my screen so I as for the second marathon, we had to map Aramoko Ikiti. We have about 73% mapped, and we also like complete this place before heading straight to another project. As you can see, we have need more that is just that. So I'll be doing my training of this place, right? So let me just introduce you to the other parts where you have access to all humanitarian across from name it all organization mapping is consistent and to ensure to avoid overlap of data. So it's managed the right. Now we have once you have a link to a project, you have this tax, you have the instruction, you have the contribution. So it's best to read the instruction before heading straight to the image. The instruction here says imagery. Please use pink. Please use imagery is unclear. Use HG. And then what are we mapping? We are mapping building and we are mapping roads. So and to tag roads, there is another for OpenStreetMap that tells us how to just tell us, okay, this is a primary road, this is how to tag the primary road, this is how to tag the secondary road, and this is how to tag and track footpaths and all. Contribution are people that have already participated in the tax. So yeah, we have Shannon, we have Baraka, we have Yomapa, and so on. Right. So project. So once you click on manually select the project for you, and you get on to start mapping. But then for mapping, once you have this color, it tells you it's ready for mapping. Once you have this color, it tells you more mapping. Is when a validator cross-check a task that is ready for validation file. So the first thing to do is actually correct, or you need to go back and make some edit, or probably you miss a building, or you miss one or two buildings, then person like tell you like, here you miss one or two buildings, please kindly go and cross check and do the next. Then for priority on unavailable or so probably due to bad images. So when you see a key, you know that okay, this tab has been locked by sorry, okay, this page has been locked by somebody. So now I want to start mapping. I'll basically assume we already have JOSM on our system, right? So let me just share my entire screen. So this will be more easier. If we don't have JSON available, just let me know on the chat box so I can just go over it. We have JSON available on our systems. Just let me know on the chat box right now. Okay. So yes, this is JSON. Alright, so JSM Advanced OpenStreetMap Editor. So we have the file, we have the edit, and the most important thing is this login, where you set things up, right? So have access from the taxi manager to the JSM. You have to ensure that your so this communicates that if data is coming from taxi manager to the JSM, right? So that access to map features directly from JSM. And the second thing to note is your authentication, basically from the OpenStreetMap. So let me just, this is my name, this is my username, right? So, and my mapping ID. So you can do that. So you can use this one and the second one. That will be two works fine. You need to set up before you get on mapping. Set up your profile rather. So you need for plugin is building tools and some other plugin Ap- Apache. Okay, Apache Common, yeah. So, but maybe building tool. So let's assume no comments on the group regarding that. I think we are that straight to how to map with JOSM. So I pick a tax, right? So this tax says available for mapping. So I'll just like so anybody okay. join me and start map to the group. So you can anyone that wishes to map can. So going forward, so we have this. I select right. So okay, it says please verify if uh, remote control is available. So I have to like go back. I want remote control. So it's oh I don't know why this is. Let me just refresh. So I already sent the tags on the group, so you can just start contributing that. Start my case. I don't know why. We have two contributors already, which is the same. We have young mappers and so why my um, JSM is coming back now. Okay, so let me just make sure I do not. Okay, so as you can see, I already like log this task. Right, so this is by me, which is showing red, and this one is tagged by whoever logged by some of the mappers joining us. So I'll just head on to just do the training around this aspect. So now I when you unlock this task and I say that okay, building and we have some offsets on the road. Right, as you can see, the road is not perfectly aligned to where uh, the data. So we need to like set it and ensure that okay we are like on the road. So to do that, we just have to ensure that we click on our offset to this red arrow going up, click on it. So we have access to basically what you are doing is just or you are just ensuring that you are moving the image to ensure it sits directly together. Okay, I think this is fine. So why I've done the offsetting, I just have to like click on OK, right? So now I can now start to map. I can still see that some of the road are not still aligned, but these are minor. The major part of the road are perfectly aligned, just like this part, some corrections, and also I can just start mapping from my end. So I said that we need one of the basically the buildings, right? So for you to access the buildings, be be on your key confused and you want me to go back, just chat box these things. So click on building, so that will be then withdraw. Just click on this and withdraw. So this one looks withdraw. Then use your extrude. Use your extrude. So that will call extrude. So it's called X. So part you want to elongate to the side. So we are coming this part to come down to the top as well. Then you come down. So then you push it down. This is like straight. Right. Remove further so that some things are not right. So we make corrections to it. So we have parts here. Then we extrude. Then we need to correct this one. Delete this node. Delete this node as well. Then make the adjustments. Then hold on Q to square it. Right. So okay. Then I start moving around to see for other buildings. So I click on my B again. I draw and I click on my B again. I draw and I continue to draw until place that comes out a little bit. You just need to use your extrude to extrude that that aspect. Just double tap your X will do the magic. Just double tap and it will create a node around that area. Then double tap again. Then you have and we continue to do the same thing. Right. Okay. Same goes here. X, take it out a little bit. So same thing goes here. We have our X. So I don't know if do we have any question regarding that. So or so I assume there's no question. So for this place now, we see that this is not supposed to be here, right? So all you just have to do is to draw another one here, because it's supposed to come this way. So you target with the residential. Right? This place we have a set group highway to street, then we have stroke ways, then we have another one stroke waypoint. So I think this is the one that you then you click on the residential, and then I go to go. So we continue to match. So looking at this part now, this part looks like it's not like a residential, it's more like a. So you just just map. It's just best we zoom in very quickly so you can what we are mapping. So at this place now, I'll be tagging this place. So to find the part, so I'll come here. That's I'll go to the next one. So yeah, we find the parts here. Press OK, apply preset. So you can see that it's type of road and this type of road. Uh, for road. So I can keep on mapping by pressing on my D and press on D. That is just it. I don't know. Okay. Have it's not proper image. All just have to be just um this change there. Just in the mode. So take the mode step at a time and zoom in. Okay, that's good. So now this is where I have to like upload all my changes. So if I want to then I continue upload. Then so I'll wait for upload. yeah, right. So you can state uh, yes, yeah, or no, or bad images. So this is where, so take for instance, if this place is just so, looking at it, you feel that you can't compute something that, okay, it's best to be done like step by step. We can basically split it. So once you split that, it will divide this box here into four, also three, four. So you can come back and fill all that first and you complete this goal. So this is the same thing that this person did here. Same as this part as well. So for me, I would say it has not been completely mapped. So I would say no, and I submit the task. Okay. So I don't know if you have any question. Do you have any question that you'd like to ask regarding how to map on JSM? Yeah, like us to like discuss on how to map with kind of JSM. It on chat box if you know you can and this kind of we'll see how we can basically help. So we are straight basically to last for just an hour. Yeah, I see I use. So I'll have to like share the class again. Let me just share the class again. So you can just map that. So and let's see what they are doing. So we can see what they are basically mapping. We should them dance um from shortly.